Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're making homemade, all-natural air fresheners. And as an added bonus, they're also good to deter mice and probably other small rodents. First thing you're going to need, or the first thing I'm going to need, because I always make a mess, some paper towels. Now, I'm just using some empty pill bottles. You can use a coffee cup, a bowl, a shot glass, whatever. I just like using these because you make them, put the lid on, and they can be put in storage for a while. But this is pretty simple. Get yourself an empty pill bottle. Get yourself some cotton balls. And yes, you can also use a cotton that maybe came in the bottle. You don't want it packed tight, but you want it packed down in there. And use some white vinegar. You're just going to do a little bit at a time so the cotton balls can soak up the vinegar. There we go. And you put your lid on there. Okay. Now, some people are going to say, well, you can just put the vinegar in a cup or a bowl or a shot glass. But if it gets knocked over, all that's going to spill out this way. If it gets knocked over, it pretty much stays in the bottle. Yeah, a couple drips out of there. But, I mean, it's quick, it's simple, and it's cheap. These bottles are free. Some vinegar you probably already have laying around, some cotton balls. Now, I did use this when I first moved into the new place because my cabinets had a musty smell, and it really did help. It took maybe a week to get the smell gone, but it did work. Okay, hopefully you found this video helpful. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button up here, or up here. And as always, thank you for watching.